I love history. I studied history in college, and I've lived and worked in the Balkan region for a decade of my foreign service career. And one of the things I've really enjoyed is exploring and learning more about the region's history, and none more than Bosnia and Herzegovina. And today, I've had the honor of visiting the archives in Dubrovnik and had the opportunity to see one of the founding documents and most important documents in the history of Bosnia and Herzegovina, Ban Kulin's Charter from 1189. From the Kingdom of Bosnia, the Dukedom of Herzegovina, to the Sanjak of Bosnia, to the Sanjak of Herzegovina, to the Ottoman province of Bosnia, to today's Bosnia and Herzegovina. There is a rich and wonderful history to explore. Some of it is tragic, like the recent war from 92 to 95, but one of the things that is a constant is the people of Bosnia and Herzegovina and its history. And I'm optimistic and confident that it is going to extend into a bright and wonderful future for the citizens of this great country.